try to be unnikkieable, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah. 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 Unnikkieable, yeah. We could be taking control, yeah.
Hello beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this beauty right here. This is the Colourpop package that I got from them. So these are the few items I got. So this is more like a mini haul kind of situation, and so I'm going to go over each and every item that I got from them, and also I'm planning to do like a eye makeup look following NikkieTutorials. So I love her tutorials, and I'm going to try to recreate one of her look. Not like recreate, maybe like taking from her look and then trying some of her look, not like the complete look. If I'm able to recreate one of her look, I'm sure you would be able to. So we'll see how that goes. And if I'm new to you, and if you're new around here, welcome, and please give this video a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. The first thing that I see here is this one right here. It says suns out, buns out. This is what Colourpop liquid liner, and it's more like a blue kind of color. I'm going to swatch this. I just want to see how this looks on camera. This looks more like black. Price on this one is what, $8. Time for the juicy reviews. The first one, the eyeliner was very opaque and a dark navy blue color. Unfortunately, I noticed a little feathering and a lot of smudging. The next one, nice but a little dry and really dark. I thought it was black at first when I got. That's true. Even when I got it, I thought it was black. Okay, next beauty that I have is this one right here. This is cream gel liner, and this is in the color teaspoon. This is the kind of green. I'm going to draw this and see how this looks. So this is the kind of green we are talking about. This is around $6. Okay, now the juicy reviews. This color makes my eyes pop. It's fragile, but this is my third repurchase. Love it. My eyes are very sensitive and water a lot, and this stays put. Okay, the next one says, this liner is very pigmented and super pretty. However, it is a little fragile and will break easily. Okay, so looks like many people love it. It's just that it's little fragile. This is a Colourpop volumizing mascara. And what's the shade? Wine O'Clock. Okay, this is really big. So this is how it looks. The price on this beauty is $8. Now the juicy reviews. Okay, the first one says, love this formula, makes lashes long and thick, but can't really see the color except in the sun. Okay, the next one says, I'm in love with this product and color. I can't get enough of this. Okay, but this can clump if you apply too much, and sometimes too much product comes out of the brush. Okay, the next beauty that I have is this one right here. This is also a cream gel liner, and this color is in Boost. Oh no, it's not Boost, it's Boots. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is the pink we are talking about. Watch this a bit. So this is how it looks. Wow, that's a pretty color. It's like a very vibrant kind of color, bright and electric kind of colors. So looks like the price on this beauty is also $6. That is awesome. And now the juicy reviews. Okay, the first one says, I love this liner. It was so incredibly easy to use, creamy, and it stayed in my waterline for hours. The color is also very pigmented and provide a nice contrast for brown eyes. That is awesome. Okay, the next one is amazing. Best liner you will have in your life. Glides on so effortlessly, has staying power, and the colors are gorgeous. The price is the icing on the cake. That's true. It's just like $6 and you get all this vibrant kind of colors. Like, that's awesome. Next, what we have? Next, we have this beauty right here. This one. This is Colourpop, Just My Luck. And I love the colors too. So these are the colors we are talking about. And here are the swatches. The price on this beauty is $12. About this beauty, she's so lucky. She'll be the star of your makeup collection. Okay, this green monochromatic palette features 9 richly pigmented shadows in every shade of green you can think. That is awesome. And now the juicy reviews. The first one says, fantastic price without compromising quality. Colourpop has done it again. Okay, the next one says, I really love this palette. The colors are very pigmented and the shimmers are phenomenal. My only complaint is that Charmed and Mo Bahama are hard to blend. Now let's get to the eye makeup tutorial, and we'll try to make or bake some kind of eye look using these beauties right here, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, since we are working with green, I applied green flower, pop of color to my hair as well. So I'm going to apply this eyeshadow primer, chances are, and then I'm going to apply that to just to blend that with this Act Natural. So I'm just taking a small fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to apply this to my crease. That's a really bright color. So this is what we have done. It's more like print. I'm not going to create like the exact replica of the look we are going with the NikkieTutorials. I'm just going to take that idea and then add some kind of twist, and we'll see how that one goes. So this is like a really bright kind of green, and then now I'm blending that with the chances are just here, just removing that line, outer line, how it transfers from green to that kind of blue. So I'm going to repeat the same thing or even on my other eye. So just like NikkieTutorial, I thought of going like a small fluffy brush, but that didn't work, so I switched to this one right here. This is like more flat but fluffy as well, so I switched to that. Okay, and now trying to apply that wing. Okay, and now I'm going back with chances are, and take off that harsh kind of, just blending that to cut my crease. using the flat brush and concealer. I'm going with the white kind of translucent kind of color, and we don't have that in this palette. I am applying that from my Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to go with this color called Mary Jane and blend that or take it a little bit over the white that I just applied.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control.
Right here, this is big bangs to my outer corner. More like a wing. Okay, that is what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is what we are working with now. This is so pretty, you guys. And if I came this far and if I'm able to do it till here, I'm sure you would be able to. This is really pretty, and if you are thinking of doing it, go ahead. I'm thinking of using that, what is that, blue liquid liner and then line it up. I'm not sure if that's going to show. I'm going to give it a shot and see how it looks on my crease. That is done. Now I want to apply this green liner to my lower lash line. I love it. That's what we are looking so far. Boots to my lower lash like a waterline. Oh, I love it. See that greens with that pink? It looked really beautiful. Okay, now time for the mascara, and everything I liked so far except the liquid liner. It looked more or less like the black eyeliner. This is not even giving me that look like this color to my lash, even though it's giving just to my tips of my lashes, not the full lashes, and on top of it it's too clumpy. I think I'm going to apply my blue mascara and see how this one is. So I just applied my mascara, that is the L'Oreal So far I like everything except the mascara, because it's too clumpy and it's not even visible. It was applying only to my tips of my lashes. Liquid liner, it's more or less it's black. Would apply the lipstick, Beauty for Rio and Hotter Than Miami. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys, and please do subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and love you guys so much. Be good to each other, stay safe, bye.
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle,